Hi, I'm Carl Taylor. Welcome to Carl Taylor Education Live. What I wanted to look at today was about lighting control. The other thing that you guys may be happy to hear is today I'm going to use three Godox lights, three Godox studio lights. When you're trying to illuminate an even bright yellow background, normally in a studio environment, you're going to get lots and lots of spill. If I know we've got the model completely silhouetted, then I can do some clever things with the projection attachment. Right, let's get our lovely model Brittany out here, please. So all I want to establish at the moment is, can I get a headshot of Brittany without seeing her? So essentially, we want to take a photo of you and not see you. Of course, we want to see you later, but not right now. Shoot. We have a very even yellow background. As a matter of fact, could you just step out 1 second? I'm now focused on the background. That will be perfectly smooth and evenly illuminated. Look at that. You can't get a better flat illumination of a background. That's almost like painting a pure color in Photoshop. Let's double check. Refocused on her, and she's silhouetted. There is a tiny little bit of light catching her lovely cheekbone there. I bought one of the cheap independent projection attachments, this one here. So I'm going to take the standard reflector off and I'm going to pop that on. And then I've got to put a gobo in it for it to do what we want it to do. Now we're using a very hard light, which is a sort of beauty style lighting. We've just actually finished filming a series of beauty shots and fashion shots with Brit and another model that were fantastic. We did that last week, we had a lot of fun. Now look at that beautiful, crisp beauty lighting from that very hard light source. And then you can see we've got that beautiful, pure color background with a lovely bit of rim lighting, lovely hard, strong shadows, crisp lighting there. Looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I've turned out a good quality beauty shot in about 10 minutes while chatting to you with three cheap Godox lights, okay? So it's not about the kit. It's about the knowledge and it's about knowing what to do with the lighting. It's about solving those physics problems to do with light. Now, we've got it shining on here. And if I bring it into focus, there it is pin sharp there, and then I turn the lens to defocus it just like I do on the Hasselblad one. But there you go, we can start to do some creative things with the light, but how do we control the shadows? Well, this is the great thing. Once we've got the shadows completely to black, we're now able to control the shadows. Picture, let's see how much light goes into the shadows. There, look at that. Just a beautiful, subtle amount of light in the shadows now, but it's controlled. So if they don't make gobos that we want, we'll make our own. Now look at it, it's a much thinner strip of light. And now we're going to get blue light in those shadows. I'm just going to get my focus, shoot, and let's look at there. Now look at the light in the shadows. Can you see the difference in the skin tones there? How now in the skin tones, we started to get this beautiful bluish glow in there. I'm just going to throw some colored gel, right, shoot. I'm just holding a bit of coloured acrylic in front of her, and we're throwing some colours in there as well. Maximise your chances of getting the best results. And the best way to maximise your chances is by knowing how you're going to control the light and solving the problems. And that's exactly what we've done in this class today, in this live show. That was with three Godox lights, with some cheap accessories, and it shows you what's achievable. Thanks very much for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. To watch the full replay and thousands of other great tips, head to carltayloreducation.com.